In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a pattern in Photoshop. We'll turn a simple piece of text into eye-catching patterned lettering using a quick, non-destructive technique. This is perfect for posters, social media graphics, or any design where you want your text to stand out. Start by creating a new document in Photoshop at whatever size works for your project. Now select the Type tool. You can press T to enable it. Click on the canvas and type your word. I'll use hello, but feel free to enter any text you like. Choose a font that suits your style, any free font will do, and adjust the size so it's easy to see. Next, switch to the Move tool so you can position the text. Use the alignment options or snap guides to center it on your canvas. Centering now makes the rest of the steps easier and helps you see how the pattern will sit within the letters. Have your pattern ready in another open document or tab. This could be a downloaded image like a JPEG or PNG with the texture you want. Switch to that tab, click and drag the pattern layer over to your main document and drop it above the text. If it isn't already centered, use the Move tool to align it so the most interesting part of the pattern falls over your lettering. Open the Layers panel to check your layer order. If you can't see the panel, go to Window and choose Layers or press F7. Make sure the pattern layer is above the text layer. If it's not, simply click the pattern layer and drag it above the text layer in the stack. With the pattern layer selected, create a clipping mask. Go to the Layer menu and choose Create Clipping Mask. If you prefer shortcuts, press Alt plus Control plus G on Windows or Option plus Command plus G on a Mac. Instantly, the pattern is clipped to the shape of your text, giving you patterned lettering without permanently changing your layers. From here, you can fine-tune the look. Use the Move tool to reposition either the text or the pattern. Moving the pattern layer shifts how the texture appears inside the letters, while moving the text changes where it sits on the canvas. Try a few placements until you find a layout you love. And that's it. Simple, flexible, and clean. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.